Hey there, today we are in Randall's Farm Preserve in Easton. It's on Sport Hill Road, about 34 acres, nice mowed grassy trails and beautiful wildflowers. One of the parking areas is right here on Sport Hill, and it leads you right into the beautiful meadows. This was a former dairy farm, and in 1983 was purchased by Mrs. Henry B. DuPont, who then donated it in 2012 as the preserve that we have today. So I pass this walk on Sport Hill Road multiple times a day, and I've never stopped here, and I'm so glad I did. It's one of my favorite walks so far. So I hope you guys come check it out.